Is the fear of higher taxes keeping you up at night? Are you worried about losing your principal or outliving your retirement money? Is your financial information outdated? There are two systems of taxation in this country, one for the informed and one for the uninformed. Honorable Leonard Hand, U.S. Court of Appeals. Become informed. Financial knowledge is financial power. Don't pay more taxes than you need to just because you've been unaware and uninformed about a better way of planning for retirement. Most people, even many financial advisors, have absolutely no idea that an IRS-approved, tax-free, risk-free, principal-protected solution has been sitting right in front of them for over a decade. Indexed Universal Life Insurance, IUL, uses IRS-approved tax strategies that guarantee no loss of principal and interest. Did I say life insurance? Yes, but this is not your father's life insurance. It's minimal life insurance with a tax-free twist. This new generation of indexed universal life policies work like turbocharged old V6 or V8 engines. They are designed specifically to provide long-term cash value accumulation and permanent life insurance protection, combined with the opportunity to earn interest linked to the performance of one or more stock market indices. In other words, you get more bang for your buck with the new indexed universal life insurance product, and your beneficiary gets a full tax-free death benefit. By allowing you to keep all the gains and suffer none of the market losses, IULs provide a tax-free solution that you should consider. Monthly or lump sum contribution choices make IULs available to most people. They offer the opportunity for significant account value accumulation and growth, downside protection if the market performs poorly, and the potential of tax-free income that can secure your retirement by generating a tax-free income. Finance your auto loans and other large expenditures. Reduce your debt and increase the amount of your savings. Have access to an emergency fund for those unexpected problems. Build a college fund for children or grandchildren. Protect your family and estate, and be used for business buy-sell agreements and key person coverage. You probably realize by now that due to high taxes, excessive management fees, and losses in the stock market, people are losing their shirts in their 401ks, IRAs, and other qualified plans. Time magazine recently said, "The ugly truth is, the 401k is a lousy idea, a financial flop, and a rotten repository for our retirement reserves." In a 401k, you have little or no control over how or where your money is invested. There is no liquidity or control. You don't have the freedom to access your money when you want to. And if you withdraw the money early, you pay excessive penalties. After losing large amounts of money in their 401ks, many people are postponing retirement, cutting back their lifestyle, moving into cheaper housing, and making other sacrifices just to make ends meet. Consider an IUL and avoid many of the problems associated with qualified plans. So, aren't there fees with an IUL? Let's face it, there are going to be fees associated with just about any financial product. The fees in an IUL are generally higher in the beginning years and lower in the later years. So what's the good news? Over the life of an IUL plan, expenses are generally lower than those found in the average mutual fund or 401k. Indexed universal life policies have no income limitations, no contribution limitations, penalty-free access to capital, immediate life insurance benefits, and an annual reset feature. You earn money when the market indexes go up and lose nothing when they go down. Our clients say they want to enhance their retirement years by generating tax-free income using a safe, secure, flexible program that guarantees no loss of principal and offers the opportunity for growth. At TaxFreeRetirementSystem.com, our goal is to show you how to take advantage of one of the best tax-advantaged retirement savings vehicles on the market today. Properly structuring your IUL in accordance to specific IRS guidelines is critical to maximizing the desired tax benefits. A properly structured IUL allows you to accumulate money tax-free, withdraw money tax-free, and transfer your money to your heirs tax-free. A policy structured improperly can cause slower accumulation of money and possible loss of some of the tax benefits. Choosing the appropriate carrier and plan for each individual is also critical to the process. There are still only a handful of carriers that offer IULs. IULs are broadly structured along similar guidelines, but they all have different nuances. Knowing the ins and outs of each plan and how they will impact the financial profile of the individual is the key to building your successful retirement program. We have specialty IUL training, years of experience, and access to the most advanced financial calculators necessary to build the right plan, the right way for you. At TaxFreeRetirementSystem.com, we address your concerns. First, we listen and learn about you and your goals. Then we help you learn how to turn your retirement plan into a plan that will build tax-free income. After all, you've spent a lifetime working for your money. Aren't you ready for a retirement plan that can provide tax-free income and protection from inflation by avoiding the volatility of the stock market? Because it's not just your retirement that is important. The quality of your retirement is even more important. Procrastination is the #1 planning mistake. The time has come to get your money working for you instead of you working for your money. It doesn't matter where you are in your planning process. Consider this new, safe, flexible retirement option. While IULs need to be considered a long-term strategy, are not designed to be investment vehicles and will not perform exactly as illustrated. IULs are an exciting tax-advantaged retirement tool that can offer you upside potential linked to the market with a guarantee that you can't lose your principal. IULs will give you peace of mind when the market is crashing and give you a reason to be excited when the market is good. And IULs do let you benefit from the market without losing your mind in the day-to-day ups and downs. Depending on your plan, Indexed Universal Life protects your principal and gains from loss, locks in your contracted gains, allows your money to grow tax-free with an IRS-approved strategy, allows you to withdraw money tax-free for retirement or for anything else you choose, allows your account to continue to grow as if the money taken out was still in the account, does not require you to withdraw money if you don't want to, does not affect Social Security benefits, is transferred tax-free to your heirs upon your death, and has overall fees that are generally lower than other financial vehicles. Timing is everything. Now is the time to take advantage of this new tax-free retirement system. Contact the person that sent you this video today for a free consultation to learn how to redirect your retirement savings into a no-risk, tax-free, IRS-approved, income-producing plan that can increase your retirement income by 25 to 40%.